Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to start a profitable eBay or Amazon business. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for a way to make some extra cash or even turn it into a full-time gig? Well, you're in luck because starting an online business on eBay or Amazon is easier than you think. First things first, you need to find a niche or product that you're passionate about. It could be anything from vintage clothing to handmade crafts to rare collectibles. The key is to find something that you know a lot about and can offer unique value to your customers. Once you've found your niche, it's time to start sourcing your products. You can do this by finding wholesale suppliers, attending trade shows, or even sourcing items from garage sales and thrift stores. The important thing is to make sure you're getting a good deal on your products so that you can turn a profit when you sell them. Next, you'll need to create your listings on eBay or Amazon. Creating your listings on eBay or Amazon is an essential step in starting your business. To make your products stand out, it's important to use high-quality images that showcase your products in the best light possible. This means using bright lighting, a clean background, and multiple angles to give potential buyers a good sense of what they're purchasing. Additionally, it's important to write detailed descriptions that accurately describe the product and highlight any unique features or benefits. When creating your listings, you'll also want to consider offering free shipping to attract more buyers. This can be a great way to differentiate your products from competitors and make them more attractive to potential buyers. However, you should also consider the cost of shipping when setting your prices so that you can still make a profit. A good way to handle this is to factor the shipping cost into the price of the product and offer free shipping to provide an added value to the customer while still maintaining profitability. Now it's time to start promoting your business. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to connect with potential customers, and also consider running paid advertising campaigns to drive more traffic to your listings. Finally, the most important key to success is to provide great customer service. Respond to questions promptly, package your items carefully, and always go the extra mile to make sure your customers are happy. That's it, folks. You're now on your way to starting a profitable eBay or Amazon business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to grow your online business. Thanks for watching.